Okay, Assalamualaikum to Sir Shahruddin Hashim. My name is Ahmad Yusri bin Saiful Siong. I'm from Group L1 TO2. Today I want to do a presentation about my project is AirCase. I will present about task 2 until task 4. Okay, for task 2, type of facility. Light industry seems the most stable type of our product. The reason are as follows. Firstly, light industry is usually less capital intensive than heavy industry, and is more consumer oriented than business oriented. Means we focus more at customer needs and will improve our product often. Next, light industry facilities typically have less environmental impact than those associated with heavy industry. And zoning laws are more likely to permit light industry near residential areas. Furthermore, our product does not require to have a heavy facility because of it require less raw materials, space, and power. Overall, the main difference of light and heavy facilities are light industry makes small products like our aircase, mainly to be bought by individuals, while heavy industry more to large scale business. Location Kajang, Selangor. Our location is at Kajang, Selangor. The reason is easy to delivery worldwide because it is located near the north eastern coast of the Strait of Malacca. Kajang is one of Malaysia's large and bustling city, packed with manufacturers and one of the most strategic business location in Southeast Asia. So the process of import and export in Kajang will be faster. It should not be a problem to export our product as the hard support for the number of transportation. The number of transportation will aid us in the product export process. For example, the shipping from Malaysia to Singapore only take approximately 9 days to reach its destination. Kajang is a place that can be an entrepot. Kajang are well known for its developing to become a great and advanced town. This is why we want to make our factory here. Okay, next, identification of a specific plant, facility, or location. Two reasons of why it was choosing to be the best place to fit our needs. Kajang, Selangor is surrounded by many manufacturers, and those manufacturers include Polycomposite SDN.BHD, which specialize in the production of fibers and plastic materials. This can be a hard advantage to our company, since our product needs a type of plastic called thermoplastic urethane TPU as its primary casing body. It is a strategic town with the lifestyle of the modern urban, which support our idea that the resident live in a busy modernized world, full of the latest technology, including smartphone. Thus, our company believe that we can market our aircase product without much expenses. Okay, next for task 3, facilities lawyer. Our facilities lawyer is cases.com.bhd cases.com.sdn.bhd has chosen specific facility lawyer that fits our business needs. These lawyers are specific as below. Production area. Process lawyer was strongly researched by us and is ultimately chosen to be the best lawyer for the production area of our aircase product. The reason we made this decision include flexible because equipment and personnel can be used anywhere. The higher up can also know the function of the product. Same people, multiple tasks. This concept allows changing work assignment, make work more satisfying for people who prefer variety. Okay, next for the office area. Flow line lawyer was thoroughly researched by us and is ultimately chosen to be the best lawyer for the office area of our acres product. The reason we made this decision include can be used no matter what operation gonna be made. It also orangeable because the place of machine and works place in the place that will make everyone comfortable to make works. It also will save times to transfer the product from unit to unit. Okay, this next for task 4, product design. A method of manufacturing a thermoplastic polyurethane tray, comprising missing thermoplastic polyurethane and thickening agent and a lubricating agent, melting and kneading the resulting mixture, and then drying and aging the mixture to prepare a thermoplastic polyurethane compound. This is our example for the standalone aircase made of TPU materials. Okay, next. Custom made with collaboration with local Malaysia 3D printers manufacturers. Aircase has special design, 3D printed leg components with thin aluminium sheets internally installed later on. Okay, these are our example for the standalone aircase. Okay, next, TPU body is now attached to the 8 legs component, completing the manufacturing and assembly process with the finished final product. The aircase legs component provides springy action that absorbs the impact of the fall. After detecting a fall, is our example for the case finished final product of the case. Okay, next for the design improvement ideas. Okay, use a thinner TPU body dimension for more comfortable one-headed experience. Design a smaller legs compartment for a further comfortable handling. Okay, for the environmentally friendly design plans, replace the TPU material with an easier to recycle and decompose material. Thinner overall design using less plastic material. Okay, next for the rewatch from design. Rewatch from design is our example. For the standalone air case made of TPU material and finished final product of air case. And this is aluminum long leaks. Insert the legs into its compartment in the standalone air case. Okay, next. Revise functional design. Okay, additional functions of the air case. Wider TPU, cover for the camera's lens, ensuring a better protection. Get an official certification of IP ratings to have trustworthy, waterproof, and anti-splashes features. Okay, revise function of the air case. Internally installed aluminum sheets, providing additional impact absorption. Usage of small PCB with a sensor instead of a microcontroller to deploy the air case leg. Okay, for the maintenance of the revised function of the air case, search for 3D printing manufacturers with cheaper manufacturing costs. Lower the production unit for the revised product, but keep the same production unit for the standard product to test the market. Okay, next for revised design process flow of the air case. Okay, first TPU compound mixing and drying, and it goes to PCB sensor installation in TPU, and then 3D printed legs compartment. After that, aluminum sheet installation in the lid compartment. Next, parts assembly process. Then quality control checks up. And the last, sell and distribute. Okay, next, standardization and simplification concept in production design process of the air case. Firstly, we plan to search for trustworthy labor force that can adhere to our payment rate to ultimately reduce the total labor cost of producing our product. And next, we will have supervisor to monitor the production process to make sure the final product pass the quality control checkups and meet our customer expectation. And the last one, we also intend to use the 3D printing service from our manufacturing partners and make our purchase in bulk, as we will reserve the discount price, thus allowing us to make more profit. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.